It's drill brush time again. Today I'll be using this drill brush attachment to clean and air on the carpet. You will also need a wet and dry vacuum, microfiber cleaning cloth, soap and water, and a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you could use a hair dryer. Carpet is like hair, right? I joke me I make still. Use what you have. So now I'm gonna use the wet and dry vacuum to help dry the carpet.
A few moments later.
What are you doing? Technically, Dave, let the people know what you're doing.
Well, I'm caressing the carpet. When you have nice fluffy carpet, you gotta treat it with love and caress it. Nice fluffy dry carpet.
Clean.
What means nice? Did never say clean?
No.
Alright. For more of Dave's technical tips, see you in the next video.